I'm going to explain on what inheritance is. In the inheritance, also one of the pillar in the OOPS concept. So, what inheritance is that? So, it's a mechanism of the one class which acquires the properties and methods of the another class. So, you are just reusing the properties and methods from the another class. That is what it's meaning in the programmatical way. In real life example, if you take any business person, Mukesh Ambani, he has a Reliance company, he has built his own. So now when that person is Mukesh Ambani is retires, his son will acquire that, take over that company, right? So now that son doesn't need to start from the scratch again that business, whatever is existing now, along with that, from there he'll start continuing, and again he can do his own development in that same company, and also he can use his father's whatever properties is there, right? So that is what it's meaning. So he can do his own also, and he can use whatever existing is there. Here if you programmatically, if you want me to explain, here you can see this example here. One more example, there is a class called vehicle. So in vehicle you can see the common functionality, what you can see, the start and stop method. So now child class I'm creating it a car. So this car is inheriting this vehicle class, and car also, as I already said, it can has its own properties also, right? So now car has two music and AC methods also. And now if you see in the main method, they created the object to in car class. Now car has only music and AC methods, but it can acquire the start and stop also, c dot start, c dot stop, right? So you can see it's inherited from the vehicle. So it means that here you can see, suppose if there is no inheritance concept, no, again for each vehicle, like if you create a car class, again a bike class, for everything you have to create the start and stop method implementation. It will like duplicates only, right? For car again you'll create start stop method, again bike and another vehicle, for all you can create start stop. But when start and stop is a common methods, the common functionality, keep them in the parent class, which is vehicle. Then whatever it has its own separate common the functionalities that create it its own, like music and AC you can create it in the car class. So this is how like this is how its inheritance concept works. And there are types of inheritance. Single means just one parent class, one child class. And multi-level means A to B, B to C. It's like one by one. There is one more called multiple inheritance. Multiple inheritance is a two parent class with the one child class. It's not only two class, it's a more than one classes with a single child class. That's how also you can inherit. And hierarchical is from one base class to more than one child classes. This is how it works. Based on our requirement we can use these all the inheritance types, we can use it. Yeah, hope you understood this concept. If any queries or doubts, please comment below so I can answer it. Thank you.